Hello, madam. Finally, you remembered me?
Oh, hello. Don't start drama early morning.
Early morning? It's 11 a.m.
For moms, this is still morning.
True, Yar. I woke up at 5 because my son kicked me.
Same here. My daughter was singing at 4:30 a.m.
Singing at 4:30?
Yes, full concert mode.
These kids think we are robots.
Exactly. No recharge, no rest.
Did you make breakfast?
Yes, but nobody ate.
Same here. I made paratha.
And?
He said, I want noodles.
Oh my God.
I felt like eating the paratha myself.
That's what I did.
Smart mom.
Survival skills, dear.
Is your house clean?
Don't insult me.
That means no. Toys everywhere, like landmine area. Same here. I stepped on a car toy.
Ugh, that pain is worse than heartbreak.
True.
My living room looks like a playground.
At least playgrounds are organized.
Don't remind me.
Did you get time for yourself?
I went to Washer Malone. That's self-care now.
Wow, luxury life.
What about you?
I drank tea while it was still hot.
Queen energy. Small victories matter. Yes, mom life goals. By the way, did you sleep well? Sleep? What is that? I feel tired all day. Same, but when kids smile, everything melts. True, Yar. Yesterday, my daughter hugged me suddenly.
Aww.
I forgot all stress. Kids are our weakness. And our strength, too.
Deep line, madam.
I'm philosophical today. Did you fight with your husband today? Little bit. Why? He said I don't rest enough.
That's sweet.
Then he slept again.
Men.
They don't understand mom duty.
True.
But he helps sometimes.
That's good.
Yesterday, he changed diaper.
Wow, award-winning moment.
I almost clicked photo. Frame it. I should. By the way, are you planning outing? With kids? Brave idea. I'm serious. Maybe park.
Good idea.
Kids can run, we can gossip. That's real plan. Bring snacks. Of course. And coffee. Yes, please. My son is shouting now. What happened? He can't find his shoe. Check fridge. Don't joke. Last time I found toy there. See? Kids are creative. Very creative in making mess. Wait, my daughter is calling me. Go attend. She wants chocolate. Before lunch? Yes. Stay strong, soldier. I'll try. Moms are superheroes. Without salary. True. But full-time job. 24/7 duty. No leave, no holiday. Still, we love it.
Yes, we complain a lot, but we can't live without them.
Absolutely. They are our heartbeat.
Sometimes I just look at him while he's sleeping.
Same here. They look like angels when sleeping.
And little devils when awake.
Exactly. Full energy mode.
By the way, did you finish your laundry?
Don't even ask. It's staring at me.
Same situation here.
I think laundry multiplies at night.
Yes, like who is wearing so many clothes?
Kids change clothes 5 times a day.
Because one drop of water falls on them.
Or just because they feel like changing.
My son says, this dress is boring.
Oh, fashion designer? Seriously, at this age? Kids these days are too smart.
Smarter than us sometimes. True.
Are you cooking lunch now?
Yes, while talking to you.
Multitasking queen.
Mom training, dear.
What are you making?
Simple dal and rice.
Same pinch.
See? We are connected.
Telepathy moms.
Superpower unlocked.
Sometimes I miss our old days.
College days.
Yes, no tension, only fun.
Late night chats and no responsibilities.
Now we sleep early and still feel tired.
Exactly.
But honestly, I feel more mature now.
Motherhood changes everything. It teaches patience.
And unconditional love.
Sometimes I lose my temper, though.
Me too. We are humans.
Then I feel bad.
Same here.
But we try our best.
That's what matters. Don't be too hard on yourself.
Thank you, Yar.
Always there for you.
Friendship after kids is different.
Yes, more understanding.
We don't judge, we support.
Because we know the struggle.
Exactly.
Oh, wait. Something is burning.
See, multitasking fail.
Don't laugh.
Sorry.
It's okay. Saved it.
Mom reflexes are fast.
Very fast.
Kids are quiet. That's suspicious. Yes, silence is dangerous. Let me check. What happened? Oh no, wall art. With crayon? Yes, modern painting. Picasso Jr. I can't even shout properly. Just take a picture first. For memory? Yes, future embarrassment material. Good idea. One day we will miss this chaos. True, time flies. They grow up so fast. Let's enjoy this phase. Yes, even with mess. Okay, tell me honestly, are you tired? Yes, but happy. Same answer. We deserve appreciation. Yes, applause for all moms. Standing ovation. I feel better after talking to you. Me too. Phone therapy session. Free of cost. Let's meet this weekend. Done. Park plan confirmed. Coffee confirmed. Gossip confirmed. Kids chaos confirmed. Love you, Yar. Love you too. Talk later.